All right, I have a few things to discuss about the end of the semester. So, number one, the assignments, guys, for the course, all of them are due by Thursday. Now, you have to make sure you do as much as you can before we take the final exam on Thursday morning. Okay? Secondly, in order to take the final exam, you have to be supervised. So in order for me to supervise you, you need to log on to Zoom Thursday morning using the same logon we've been using for our live sessions. And once you get in, I will go ahead and give you the password to access the exam. It is 30 multiple choice questions. You are expected to do some work, show your work, and then you are to submit your scratch work to me via email. And I'm supposed to apparently change your grade if you don't submit any scratch work. So make sure you submit your scratch work, okay? Now, number 3, by the way, the exam is time. You will have 90 minutes to complete it, 30 multiple choice questions, 90 minutes to complete it. And once we're done, of course, you can go ahead and leave the session. Make sure you submit your scratch work. All right. Number 3, while you guys are testing, what I will do is go into the assignments and zero everything out that you haven't completed. Okay, so you could see somewhat of an average, of an exact average of where you are, so that when you submit your exam, you can see the grade that you have. Now, obviously, if you're not happy with the grade you have, you want to continue working, and yes, you'll have access to the assignments. You want to continue working, and yes, you guys can continue working until Friday to improve your grade. Now, number 4, some of you are concerned about a low test score you have for this class. So whether it was from chapter 1 or the chapter 2 test, the goal is for you to take the chapter 4 test by tonight. So far, only 2 individuals have completed it. And then once we're done with the chapter 4 test, I will go in tomorrow and have the computer automatically drop the lowest test score. So by the time you come in on Thursday to take your final exam, so the grade that you see in my math lab will be an accurate reflection of where your average is for the class going into the final exam, okay? Now, if for some reason after you submit the exam, you need to talk to me about something, you're welcome to chat with me. But guys, on Thursday, okay, we are going to finish out the class with the final exam. It must be administered. I have to watch you taking the exam. So when you guys come on Zoom, you're going to turn your cameras on. It will not be recorded. I am just going to observe you taking your final exam. All right? And that's it.